Welcome once again, my dear student. And here last isomerism was left. So here we will discuss solvate isomerism. Okay, children. Uh, Previously we have discussed linkage isomerism, coordination isomerism, then ionization isomerism, and today we will discuss the next isomerism, that is solvate isomerism. Solvate, children, it is related to water. Solvate, if it is there, then it will be related to water. So this form of isomerism is known as hydrate isomerism. Okay, in case where water is used as solvent. Okay, this isomerism is also known as hydrate isomerism when water is involved as a solvent. And basically, children, this is similar to ionization isomerism. Previously we have discussed ionization isomerism, in which potential ligand is there which can replace the ligand which is present inside the coordination sphere. Now see in which manner it is similar. Solvate isomer differ by whether or not a solvent molecule is directly bonded to metal ion or merely present as a free solvent molecule in a crystal lattice. Okay, whether the solvent molecule, here children, it is saying that solvent isomer differ whether or not a solvent molecule, H2O molecule, solvent molecule, is directly bonded to metal ion or merely it is present as a free solvent molecule. Okay, if it is present as a free solvent molecule, it will be present outside the coordination sphere, and if it is ligating to central metal ion, then it will be present inside the coordination sphere. You can better understand with the help of example, children. Here see an example is provided by aqua complexes. This is CrH2O6 Cl3. This is a complex, it is of violet color. Here you can see, and its solvate isomer, children. See, it will be one H2O molecule is present. One H2O molecule, here you can see it is displaced outside. It is present as a free solvent molecule. Okay, it is present as a free solvent molecule, and here you can see 5 H2O molecules are there. In order to maintain its coordination number 6, one Cl will come inside. One Cl is coming inside to maintain the coordination number 6. Okay, coordination number means the number of ligand that is ligating to a central metal ion. Okay, so in order to maintain the coordination number 6, one Cl will come inside. Okay, now if one Cl will come inside, then you can see out of 3 chloride which is present outside the coordination entity, now it is reduced to Cl2.H2O. This is a solvate isomer, and this color of this compound will be grey green. Okay, so this is another type of solvate isomer. Okay, here you can write down in another form also. You can write down chromium H2O4, H2O4 and Cl2. Then only the coordination number will remain 6. Okay, here H2O4 and Cl2. If two chloride are present inside the coordination sphere, then one Cl will come outside and 2 molecules of H2O will move outside, because here it is 4. Okay, in this way you can prepare another isomer of this compound. Here it is mentioned only 2. You can see it is chromium H2O6 Cl3. 6 is the coordination number of central metal ion. Okay, H2O is your aqua. Okay, and here its isomer is formed by moving one H2O molecule. You can remove 2 also as well as 3 also. When you will remove 3 water molecule, here it will be Cr, H2O3 and Cl3, so that the coordination number of chromium will be 6. Okay, and 3 water will be present outside the coordination sphere. Okay, and all the 3 chloride will be present inside the coordination sphere. Okay, so here it is given 2. You can write down these 2 also. Okay, and here one thing you have to keep in the mind, that you have to maintain the coordination number. Okay, here it is 6, then you have to maintain the coordination number 6. If here you can see water molecule 5 it is taken, then chloride 1 it is taken, so that 5 plus 1 it will become 6. If you will take 4 water molecule, then you have to take 2 chloride. So that 4 plus 2, it will become 6. And here when you will take water molecule 3, then you have to take 3 chloride ions. So that 3 plus 3 will become 6. Okay, so this is all about, children, it is your solvate isomerism. Please go through it, all these, and write down the proper notes of all these in your copy. Thank you, children.